Hello everybody! I'm filming from my iPhone camera because my other camera dropped on the ground and it appears to have broken the inside lens, so yay. I just received my first box of Misfits vegetables. So this is like a subscription program where you sign up and every 2 weeks they deliver either the small or the this one, I can't remember what the name is, but it had cute little names like, you know, Mayhem or something like that. But I got the smaller box just to start trying it out. There is a larger box, but it just arrived from FedEx or whoever just dropped it off. And here it is. And I'm super excited to open it, and I thought maybe I would grab my camera and go ahead and open it with you. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. I have no idea what I've received, but as I said, this is my very first box and I'm really excited. And of course it comes in this really fun little box with little colors and things on top, and I've already got it sliced open. And this looks like some kind of packaging, right? So they've protected it pretty well. And in here we've got some ice packs. And let's see what's down in here. Ooh. Ooh. If you didn't want to do a flip today, you just did. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, ooh, looks like some good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this out. Looks like we've got some kind of greens. These are organic collards. So that's something I forgot to mention, is that everything in this box is going to be organically grown. And what they do is they work to find the vegetables that maybe don't look as pretty. So like there's a few holes on these. So normally these would be scrapped and thrown away, but they've bundled up and now I get to eat them. So let's see what else we've got in here. So we've got a organic cucumber, and that's all it says is a cucumber. And let's see. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Some kind of bok choy or something? This looks pretty good. This would be good greens to cook up, maybe saute up. Okay, and got some apples. And let's see what else we've got. Another apple. And here is a pepper. No, right now, baby.
Where's my jewel?
Oh, we'll have to look for it. Hold on. And another pepper. Ooh, I love it. So this one would have been way too tiny for market, but this looks delicious. All right, so let's keep going. This looks like
things that you put in the bowl.
In just a minute, baby. Okay.
Things?
Yep. Give me just a minute. So this looks like, what is this, a fennel, right? So we can use the top and the bottom, and it's beautiful. Looks so good. And again, all organic. They gave us some oranges. So some yummy oranges. And let's see what's in the bottom here. So another piece of paper to go under. Ooh, all the root vegetables. Okay, so some nice onion. So this guy looks kind of big, right, for market. And this one, it has a little bit of something right here. But we'll see. I'm gonna see if I can cut that off. I may be a little disappointed in that one. Okay. Or I'll have to cook it really fast. On this one. And look at these beautiful, look at carrots and parsnips and a few potatoes, which I've already got good potatoes here at home, so no big deal. But I love having some parsnips. These will be delicious. And here's a few potatoes. And that is the end of the box. So let's see what we got. A whole bunch of goods. And I think I paid, is it $22 for every 2 weeks to have a box? So I tell you what, for organic produce, this looks like a pretty good little haul right here. And I look forward to starting to eat it. So thanks so much for watching my video. Good to see you again. God bless you. Take care. Bye.